case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2017, the United States Court of Appeals for the First Circuit heard the case O'Connor v. Oakhurst Dairy, which focused on the interpretation of Maine's wage and hour laws. Delivery drivers for Oakhurst Dairy claimed their employer violated the law by failing to pay them overtime, while the company maintained that the drivers fell within an exemption. The dispute centered around the exemption's phrase, packing for shipment or distribution, which was found ambiguous due to its lack of a comma. The dairy argued that packing for shipment and distribution were separate activities, while the drivers believed the phrase meant packing for shipment or packing for distribution. The district court initially sided with the company. However, the appellate court ultimately ruled in favor of the delivery drivers. The court noted that under Maine law, wage and hour laws must be construed liberally and ambiguities resolved in favor of the employees to serve their remedial purpose. Consequently, the drivers were owed additional wages for their overtime hours. This case highlights the significance of linguistic conventions, such as the use of commas and parallel structures, in the drafting and interpretation of statutes. As a result, it serves as a reminder for future legislative efforts to provide clear and unambiguous language to ensure the intended legal effects are realized.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.